Hey guys, Electroshark back, and today we are gonna be opening the fidget cube and fidget spinner. So that's the fidget cube right there, and this is the fidget spinner. So we're gonna start off with the fidget cube because I'm not very excited for that one.
Okay, so here's the box for it. Okay.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. So today's Easter, and Anna did not have a good time.
Yeah, I fell on the tree.
There's a switch, a scroller, a joystick, buttons, rollers, flash clicker, and little things.
Okay, so if you didn't see it, there's a joystick right here, the light switch, a soft thing right here, spinner thing, 3 buttons that make a noise, and then these two don't.
9 out of 10. That's a 9 out of 10
A
for
ball, it can click to, and then like this number code thing. But I give this like 8 out of 10.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
But yeah, onto the fidget spinner. Let's open this.
The fidget spinner is 10 out of 10.
So here's the fidget spinner. You can do a lot of tricks. So we're going to show you what tricks you can do. Here's one-handed thumb thing.
The trick is bouncing it on your finger. To bounce it there. Woo!
So the next trick is the next trick is gonna be kind of hard. So you need to spin it really fast. Put your thumb like this, and then you have a bike. And if you don't know how to do this trick, you can just grab a friend and you do it. But yeah, that's that trick. And then the last trick will be, so you spin it really fast.
You just do this.
And then you try to catch it. This one is kind of hard.
Yeah.
We can do it. And big shout out to Alex Aldama. She has a really good YouTube channel. But yeah. Oh, dang, she did it. I'm not that good at fidget spinners.
You know, he just tried it today.
Yeah.
I had it for like almost 3 days now.
Scoot over, please. Okay, so maybe I can do it.
And I'm doing a video on my channel, Alex Aldama. It's a reacting to fidget spinners and cubes.
Oh yeah,
same thing. Just yeah.
Oh, there we go. Did it. But yeah, so we're just relaxing, making videos, uploading.
Tired from Easter a lot.
Yeah, mostly me because I fell on a tree.
How'd that happen anyways?
I was trying to get an egg and then I fell. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great Easter.
Yep.
And bye.